Good morning, class 10. Myself, Kanhaiya Kumar. We have to learn about chapter 14 statics. Today's learning objective is in this class, students will learn about median of group data and ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. For Steve, it is for Steve first. Arrange the data ascending or descending order. If n number of observation is odd, then middle term is 1. In this case middle term is n plus 1 by 2th of the term, and that case median is the value of observation n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, then there are two middle term. First middle term equal to n by 2th observation, and the second middle term equal to n by 2 plus 1th observations. In that case, if n is even, in that case median is mean value of middle terms observation. For better understanding, we have to solve one question. Marks of 10 and number of students, also called frequency. 20 marks 6 students, 25 marks 20 students, 28 marks 24 students, 29 marks 28 students, 33 marks 15 students, 38 marks 4 students, and 42 marks 2 students, and 43 marks 1 student. As we know, cumulative frequency is the sum of preceding frequencies. When we write, then it is called cumulative frequency. So 6 plus 20, 26, 26 plus 24, 50, 50 plus 28, 78, 78 plus 15, 93, 93 plus 4, 97, 97 plus 2, 99, 99 plus 1 is 100. Here summation of Fi is 100. You have to match this with the last cumulative frequency. Here n is 100 and it is even. So two middle term. First middle term is 100 by 2, that is 50th observation, and the value of 50th observation is 28. Second middle term is 100 by 2 plus 1th, that is 51st observation, and the value of that one is 29. In that case median is mean value of middle observation, that is 28 plus 29 upon 2, that is 28.5 is a median. For median class, find the cumulative frequency of all the classes, and n by 2. We now locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than and nearest to n by 2. This is called the median class. You know the median formula of median is m equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Here there are some terms. So L is lower limit of median class, n is number of observations, Cf cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, f is a frequency of median class, and h is a class size, assuming class size to be equal. For better understanding, I have taken one question. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Length in mm and number of leaves. 118 to 126, 3 leaves. 127 to 135, 5 leaves. 136 to 144, 9 leaves. 145 to 153, 12 leaves. 154 to 162, 5 leaves. 163 to 171, 4 leaves. 172 to 180, 2 leaves. As here we see, the data is in inclusive form. Here upper limit is counted in the same interval. So we know the solution is not, so you have to, for solution you have to change the data inclusive to exclusive, and the rule is we have to subtract 0.5 in each lower limit and add 0.5 in each upper limit. So I have changed the data in exclusive form. 117.5 to 126.5, 3 leaves. 126.5 to 135.5, 5 leaves. 135.5 to 144.5, 9 lips. 144.5 to 153.5, 12 lips. 153.5 to 162.5, 5 lips. 162.5 to 171.5, 4 lips. 171.5 to 180.5, 2 lips. As cumulative frequency, 3 plus 5 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, and plus 2 is 40. Here 40 matches with the 40, so it is correct. N by 2, 40 by 2 is 20. CF just greater than 20 is 29. CF just greater than N by 2, that is 20, is 29. So corresponding class is a median class. So 144.5 to 153.5. So corresponding class 229 is 144.5 to 153.5. So median class is 144.5 to 153.5. Lower limit of median class L is 144.5. CF cumulative frequency preceding the median class, so it is 17. F is a frequency of median class, so it is 12. H is a class size, that is 126.5 minus 117.5, that is 9. As we know, median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is 144.5, N by 2 is 20, CF is 17, and F is 12, and H is 9. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 9. 3 4 is 12, 9 upon 4 is 2.25. So 144.5 plus 2.25, so median M equal to 146.75 mm. So median length of the lips is 146.75 mm. Homework, solve question number 1 from exercise 14.3 from NCERT. Thank you class.